indoor air pollutants. India's import dependence on natural gas is increasing and is one area where e-cooking can also help. The transition to e-cooking could shift millions of Indians to cleaner, safer, and affordable cooking. It can help reduce energy imports and also reduce our supply vulnerability.
Talking for the past at least 20 years plus after the Rio Summit, etc., UN Convention, and then all this Paris Agreement, Glasgow Pact, everything. And today, we have come to a very, very important juncture where now we are moving ahead with a very clear mission called life. And we are really thankful to class and all other participants here that we are actually taking forward this life as part of our own effort, our own one step ahead in moving in this mission. So let me thank all of you for joining for this wonderful regard. The promotion to electric cooking is also a kind of a natural way.
कि पर्यावरण को बचाने के लिए अपने दैनिक जीवन में
life, which is promoted by our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, lifestyle for environment. Nobody in the Western world knew that the changes in lifestyle can make a big change in the environment.
रसम स्वादु आनंदम देती जीवनाय शुद्धम च प्रकृति संरक्षक आत्मच समर्पय.
What's happening? Can we have a louder applause, ladies and gentlemen?
So that we can households should be electrified, and that would actually help for us to go for electric cooking, and we can see the penetration of electric cooking in the rural segment as well.
We see e-cooking as a great initiative to kind of enable this transition and address some of the social, environmental as well as economic issues associated with traditional modes of cooking. As per a recent household survey conducted by a think tank, CEW, about 5% households in India use e-cooking. And
Apart from
if we look at electric cooking, the grid infrastructure becomes a very important.
Manufacturers in the audience, I'd like to ask how many of y'all have more than 50% women in your entire value chain?